We just wanted to ask you how you liked the presentation.
I thought it was very good. It was very good. Presenting well, and I enjoyed it.
Very informative.
Yes,
Did you
it
learn a
was.
lot?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
There's always something to learn. You never get too old to learn.
Thank you. What did you think of the presentation?
Very informative.
So you learned a lot?
Sure. Reiterated a lot of things that I've learned in time in business, but very informative for me as a local business owner.
Well, good. Thank you. We're glad you came out.
Thank you.
Hi, Barbara. How are you? I'm
fine.
Sherry.
Wrong
Nice to
hand.
meet you. Can you tell us something that you enjoyed about today's the online presentation?
Well, I'm very computer illiterate, so I learned quite a bit today about the computer. I mean, a lot of people here have already, done computer advertising. I haven't ever done any, and I'm a shopper on the computer, so that part was good. I did know a little bit about shopping, but I didn't know that much. I didn't realize what what's the word I'm trying to say, the population, what part of the population does, the different, like the video and the online and everything. I liked all that. For someone who's not knowledgeable, I think I learned quite a bit tonight.
So we provided you with a lot of useful information.
Absolutely, yes.
Mike, I'm Sherry. How are you?
Sherry, great. How are you?
Good. Just want to ask you a question or two about the presentation. Could you tell us what you thought about the online presentation tonight?
I really enjoyed it. It was very informative. I came in knowing some of the information that was out there and seemed to be one of the people that knew one instance in particular, but most overall it was very informative and enjoyed it.
Stephanie, I'm Sherry.
Hi, Sherry.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you tell us your favorite part of tonight's presentation, the online presentation?
Gosh, just getting excited about what's going to happen to my business online. The phone book is dead. I don't even have a phone book in my store. So I'm really excited to see what's going to happen when we start implementing this program and just going to see what's going to happen to my business and watch it grow. So I don't know, I'm excited.
So you did sign up for the program tonight?
Absolutely. I signed up for the basic program, and it's a year agreement, and I'm just real excited to see what's going to happen just in the next 3 months, just to see what's going to happen then. So.
Well, good. Thank you.